Hey everyone, it's Jared, and today we're going to do something special, kind of, or maybe stupid. We're going to blow air into my drums while I'm playing them with an air compressor and see how it changes the sound. So you'll notice in your drum set at home, they have what are called vent holes, okay? And vent holes, these types of things, are meant to just let the air out of the drum, right? And if too much air gets in the drum, and it has nowhere to go, you sometimes have this kind of thing happen. Okay, so this was the A&F. It does have a vent hole, but basically when I was really bashing it hard, the air just has nowhere to go, not enough time, and it actually can push through drum heads. So I definitely don't want to do that, but what I was thinking is maybe we should bring a compressor in here. I have an air compressor because this place is part of my garage, and we'll actually push air in the drums while I'm playing just to kind of see how it changes the sound. And maybe out of this, someone will come up with a crazy invention where you're actually able to have dials and increase the amount of air inside the drum, so you can change it from tuned up really high to releasing the air and tuned down really low. I don't know how it'll all work, but let's get my air compressor and give it a try.
5 hours later.
Watch how the head pops up. Okay, now, Rowan, I'm gonna play. You're gonna put air in the drums. Yeah. Just a little bit. You guys gotta tap. So that's how it sounds if you blow air inside of your drums. I saw Benny Greb do this once where he actually, I think, went down with his mouth and blew air into the drum. So that's probably a safer way to do it. We're finding with the compressor, it's too much air too quickly and it actually really expands that drum. I'd be afraid of breaking something. So don't try this at home, okay? Don't try it at home, but I probably think you're gonna do that.
I'm sorry, I just started hearing really loud circus music in my head. What did you say?
Thanks for watching. See you next time.